like this paddle because it makes my playing more better.
Sabi ko lang dito sa pamaylay is maganda siya, very powerful. Very magaan po siya yung paddle.
This one is good. This one is great. This one is very competitive compared to other paddle.
Pero I like Panday better kasi I think the quality of palakol is very, very good actually. Maganda siya, mukhang matibay, magaan ni palo, mahaba, and actually effortless yung pagdagpag-play.
I think mas love your own Philippine brand for palakol.
Kasi yung mga spin po, mas maganda po yung pumapasok mo ngayon, which is dati hindi naman po ganun yung playstyle ko. And dito po sa Panday is malaking improvement po pagdating po sa spin. And yung sa power po niya, maganda rin po yung combination po niya. Hybrid po. And very suit po siya sa akin.